Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make a very simple and easy squid masala recipe. So without further ado, let's get started. So cleaning the squids is very important. So here I've taken three big size squids and I got it cleaned. So we need to remove the outer layer of the skin, and there is a plastic like thing which is inside the squid. We need to get rid of that. Cut it into rings and wash it nicely. So I washed the squids well with fresh water, and now I'll season it with a little salt and little bit of turmeric powder. Just give it a mix. Alright, so now let's get started with the cooking. So here I've heated around 2 tablespoons of oil, in which I'll be adding in fresh curry leaves followed by 2 medium sized onions. So the onions I have finely chopped. Now we need to fry these onions until they are translucent. Until then we just need to fry this on high flame. Now along with this, what I've done is I've crushed around 4 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. So I'll add this and I will let this fry along with the onions. So once, as I can see, the onion starts changing its color, okay, I'll be adding in 1 medium sized tomato finely chopped and just fry it. So the flame is high and I'll just fry it for around a minute. And after a minute, we'll add in the dried spices. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of jeera powder. And now we'll just give it a mix. And here I'll be adding in some tamarind pulp, some tamarind water. So I had soaked in a ball sized tamarind in a hot water. Okay, so I'm just adding it little by little. Okay, this will give a nice tangy flavor along with the tomato. Here we'll add in a little salt. And now I'll add in a little bit of garam masala powder. Okay, that's it. The masala is ready, and now goes in the hero of our recipe, that's squids. Just give it a mix. I'll keep the flame high and I'll just let it fry for a while, just for around 3 to 4 minutes. Alright, that's it. It's been 4 to 5 minutes now and the squids are cooked. Okay, so our squids masala is ready. I'll turn off the flame. And one last ingredient that I'll be adding is freshly chopped coriander leaves. That's it. Alright guys, that's it. It was that simple to make this squids masala. It's very simple and it's very delicious and tasty. It's tangy and slightly spicy. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. Let me taste it. The squids is cooked properly. First I got the tangy taste and it's not at all spicy, it's slightly spicy. It's amazing. So let me know in the comments below how you like this recipe and how you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye bye.